Let us try to solve some questions. This one, calculate the force which will produce moment of force of 1575 Newton centimeter when the perpendicular distance between point of application force and the turning point is 45 centimeter. It's a very simple question. This numerical problem, we have to calculate the force which produce a moment of force 1575 Newton centimeter, and it is given that the perpendicular distance is 45 centimeters. So simple it is. We know the formula for the moment of force is force into perpendicular distance. So making force as a subject, it will be moment of force upon perpendicular distance 45. So this one if we cancel will remain 35. So answer is simple, 35 Newtons. Next let us see this second one. Calculate the length of the arm of couple if the force of 13 Newton produce a movement of couple of 14.3 Newton meter. We have to calculate the length of the arm of the couple. So again the simple formula here, another numerical problem, that is the arm of couple has to be calculated. So we put a question mark, and if the force is given as 13 newtons and the value of couple is given 14.3 Newton meter, so we know that formula for the couple is again force into perpendicular, force into arm of couple. So making arm as a subject 14.3 upon 13, this if we cancel we get 1.1 meter. So the arm of the couple is 1.1 meter. It's very simple. Next are the practice problems related to the meter scale. So let us see one of the question of the meter scale. The question here is the second one. It states that uniform meter scale is balanced at 20 centimeter mark when a weight of 100 gram force is suspended from one end. Where must the weight be suspended? Calculate the weight of the meter scale. Fine. So let us draw out the meter scale for this numerical problem. If we draw the meter scale for this numerical problem, it is a meter scale, so starts from 0 and ends on 100 centimeter. Meter scale it is, and it is balanced at 20 centimeter. So exactly on the 20 centimeter mark we put a fulcrum at which it is balanced. 100 gram force is suspended from one end. Now meter scale also has a weight. That weight of the meter scale will always act through 50 centimeter mark. Please keep this thing in mind. This is a standard condition. This is a standard condition that weight of the meter scale will always act at 50 centimeter mark. Now they have said that where will you suspend 100 GF? Obviously if you want to balance at here, the 100 GF must be suspended here. It should be suspended here. And also they've asked us to calculate weight of the meter scale. What will be the weight of the meter scale? Now since it is a balanced condition, we can apply principle of moments. Principle of moments says that clockwise movement is equals to anti-clockwise movement. Since both are balanced condition, doesn't make any difference which is clockwise and which is anti-clockwise. So taking the left side movement, force, distance is 20 centimeter, 0 to 20 centimeter. Then at the fulcrum we put equal to, then weight of the meter scale, let us say it is x, and distance from the fulcrum 50 minus 20, so that is 30 centimeters, so 30. So now if we make x as a subject, it will be 100 into 20 by 30. This one if we simplify, we get 66.6 gram force. This is the weight of the meter scale. Let us try with this third problem. Uniform meter scale balance is horizontally on the knife edge placed at 55 centimeter mark. So it is balanced at 55 centimeter mark. Mass of 25 gram is supported from one end. Draw the diagram of arrangement. Calculate the mass of the scale. So this again simple, it is already given as a meter scale. So it is from 0 to 100 centimeter. It is balanced at 55 centimeter mark. Mass of 25 grams. So we know that the weight of the meter scale always acts as a 50 centimeter mark. So let it be X. I told you in the previous sum that it is a rule. You have to apply weight of the meter scale compulsory at the 50 centimeter mark. Now where will you suspend 25 gram? Obviously you will not suspend it here. If you suspend it here, the scale will bend this side. So 25 gram must be suspended on the other side. And it is also given that it is from the end. So here will be the 25 grams suspended. Now again applying the principle of movement. Clockwise movement is equals to anti-clockwise movement. Force is X. Perpendicular distance will be 5 centimeter. Again here the force is 25 grams and the perpendicular distance 100 minus 55, that is equals to 45. So X will be equal to 25 into 45 by 5. This is we cancel, then this we get it as 25 grams. So this is the answer. Now let us try with this third sum. A uniform wooden beam AB 80 centimeter long diagram is given for the help. Now see here that it is not a meter scale, it is 80 centimeter long. Its weight is 250 GF. So obviously we will suspend the weight at the center mark. Center mark here will be 40. So if we draw a 0 to 80 centimeter mark, it's pivoted at 0 to 10. So at the 10 centimeter point it is pivoted. And at 40 mark the weight of the block will count. The weight of the block is 250 GF, which will act in the downward direction at 40 mark, and it's supported on a wedge as shown in the figure. Calculate the greatest weight which can be placed on the end A. So how much weight you can place here so that this condition gets balanced? Again let us say X is the greatest weight. So force into perpendicular distance, here also force into distance. This distance is 40 minus 10, final minus initial position, so 30. So X you will get it as 750 grams. Simple, very simple it is.